Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create table in database using MySQL query in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to create table using SQL query. So we are in database and then you see SQL, so click on it. So we are in SQL section and then we are going to paste query and you will find this query in video description or in comment section. Now you see create table and then you see this is our table name users. So you can add your table name and then you see column name ID. So you can add your column name and then you see int. So this is our data type and then you see 11. So this is our character length. And then you see auto increment primary key. So ID will be auto increment and primary key. Now you see username. So this is our other column. And then you see data type VARCHAR, character length 50. And then you see we added not null. Another column email, data type, character length, not null mean not empty. And then you see created add. So this is our another column, timestamp. So when we are going to edit data in table user, date and time will add also. Now you see default, current, timestamp. So you can modify this query according to requirement and then click on go. Now you see table created, MySQL return an empty result because we don't add any data. Now go to structure and then you see new table created user. Now you see structure, so click on it. Now you see ID, primary key, auto increment, username, type, and then you see null, no, email created. So in this way you can create table using SQL query in PHPMyAdmin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.